Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can claim your rewards after completing the fall energy activity in Grow a Garden Fall Market Update Part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. We can go to this area and then as you can see here, rewards are claimable every 12 hours and it's already 12 hours, so now I can claim my rewards. And then I'm going to open the potential or the possible rewards from the fall energy. Okay, and these are the potential rewards. Okay, and you can claim your rewards after you submit or after you earned at least 50 fall energy. So when you get 50 fall energy, you'll get rake, firefly jar, sky lantern, or maple leaf kite. And then when you reach 10 fall energy, you can get one of these following items. Okay guys, and now let's claim the reward. You can talk to the NPC and then you can click on I'd like to claim my reward. And yeah, I got rake from the heart seat. Okay, and guys, that's all of the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.